First of all, why would you need something like environmental variables in Linux? For example, let's say that you have some value that is quite complicated to remember and you don't want to bother to type it every time you need to use it. Rather, use command export, name your variable and press enter. Now, whenever you need this value, you are going to provide $sign and name of your variable, like my var. And with command echo, I'm going to print to the screen. But if you want to use this very same command in another instance of terminal, like in this case, you see, I've got empty line. That is because my var is limited to this terminal session. And if you want to remove this variable, use command. Now, if I want to print it out, I'm going to get empty line in here too. And finally, what if you want to create global variable? Meaning you want to be able to use it from any instance of terminal. And even after you restart your computer. In order to do so, you have to edit one file first. We have to edit etc environment. At the end of this file, type name of your variable equals and value in quotation marks. Write this out and exit this file. Now we have to source environment and now I'm going to try to print this variable with echo my var. You see, it works, but what about other terminal sessions? For that you would have to restart your computer. And after restart I'd open 4 different sessions and we are going to try it. Echo my var works. Another one works. Third time, fourth time. Forget, there is one more file that could be interesting for this purpose, and that is etc profile. Go to the end of this file and in here type export, the name of your variable, let's say new var in this case, and provide value in quotation marks. Write this out and exit. Now I'm going to source profile and I'm going to use echo to print value of new var. This is my new variable. Once again, if you want this to work in every session, first you have to restart your computer.